Hey folks, this is a lift block, a brand new one for a 2016 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC wagon, and it should work for any model W212 generation that goes from 2010 to 2016 for either a sedan or a wagon. I have a wagon. This block is where the jack lifts the entire front of the car, and this goes into a hole in the body frame about 12 to 15 inches underneath from the logo. And my challenge is going to be to actually put it in this way into the body frame. But the problem is that this plastic here is very difficult, very hard. So my challenge is going to be how to get it into the body frame. In the first video, I explained how this lift point on the W212 Mercedes-Benz E350 is used to lift the front end of the car. My challenge is to get it into the body frame, but it is a very hard plastic that I can't manually press it in. So what I'm thinking is one of two ways: either line it up on the jack and then lift it, and by sheer weight of the car, this presses into the body frame of the vehicle. My other idea is to maybe line it up, pre-line it up with painter's tape, and just let it sit there until I can get the jack underneath, and then I lift it. And all right, folks, I'm underneath the car. This is the new lift point block that I bought for my 2016 E350 4MATIC wagon. It's lined up with the blue painter's tape. So at this point, I'm going to put the jack underneath, lined up to this this peg point, and then press up. And the weight of the vehicle should press this block into the body frame. All right, folks, I was successful in pushing in this new lift point block into the body frame of my car using painter's tape to line it up first, and then I lifted the jack right onto it, and I lifted the car, and by sheer weight of the car, it pressed in this new block into the body frame of the vehicle. It worked. It took me two shots at it. The first one, I didn't line up the jack into that nail head right in the middle. The second attempt was a little bit better, and I lifted the car much higher, and it pressed the block into the body frame to my delight, and it doesn't jiggle, it doesn't move, it doesn't fall off. So I would call this a success. We'll see how long it lasts, because this thing will break. It will break right at the center point on opposite sides of that round nail head right in the middle. But at least I have a new one for any future work that I might need to lift the car from the front. All right, so hopefully this helps somebody out there. Take care.